Welcome to Easy Delicious Nutritious. In this video, we will be making roasted nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are delicious. Roasting takes the flavor and texture to the next level. I'll be using half cup walnuts, half cup almonds, half cup cashews, half cup pecans, and half cup pumpkin seeds. You can really make it with any nuts or seeds you have in any quantity you prefer. Warm up your pan over medium heat. Add all the nuts first. No need to add oil as the nuts already have oil. Roast for about 5 minutes. Stir it every minute or so. You'll notice the nuts changing color and you can smell the aroma. Please like and subscribe to help me grow my channel. Seeds don't need as much roasting time and they go to the bottom. Add the seeds and roast for another 5 minutes, stirring it more frequently. You might hear popping sounds like popcorn. Roughly it takes about 10 minutes to get a good roast. Turn off the heat and let them cool in the pan. You can store the roasted nuts and seeds in an airtight jar, over the counter, or in the fridge if you make a larger batch and don't consume it as fast. You can enjoy these delicious roasted nuts and seeds in your crepes or pancakes, yogurt and fruit parfait. Add them to your salad or morning oats, or simply enjoy them as a snack. Thank you for watching Easy Delicious Nutritious. Please like and subscribe and check out my other videos.